What's up, YouTube? It's your boy FCTHETRUTH, and we're back with another video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the DJI MIC wireless microphone system. So, all right, let's get into this unboxing of the DJI MIC. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, got my little trusty knife. Bam, cut that part open. See what we get. See what we get inside of here. Okay, got a little box. Got a little pouch right here. The DJI cable. It's the 3.5 cable. It's very useful. See what else we got in this DJI pouch. We got the windscreen. And what else it comes with? We got the windscreen, and we have the USB cord cable, USB-C to USB. See what else we got in here. Is that another wind muff? So, see, we got manual, stuff like that. And I believe that is it for that box and that pouch. So we're gonna put all that right here. We're not gonna read the manual because we know what we're doing. We don't need to read the manual. And this should be the charging station. Slide that out. DJI charge station. Oh, now this looks very high end. I mean, this is pricier than like the Rode stuff. I believe it's a little pricier than Rode, but wow, it's like ready to go. I like that they give you some battery life already. You know, it's not fully charged, but they give you something. So we have one mic, and we got the other mic. It's in here. And transmitter. Got the out and the headphone jack. Power button and USB-C. Yep, all there. See what else we got in here. We got the clip. I think it's supposed to be a magnet with this. It's supposed to be like a little magnet. I saw like people using the little magnet where you can USB-C adapter and that. Trust, this is very important if it will focus. Yeah, so this is the iPhone adapter. All right, so I also have to let you know I finally found that magnet. I was looking, I was like, I saw in a couple of videos, it's like a magnet with the clip. And this is like a super sturdy magnet. I can barely get this magnet off. This is how Yeah, that magnet, that is a good touch. That magnet is an incredible touch. That's the only thing I have to do is not lose these little adapters, and I should be straight. So I'll be testing this out in a day, a couple days or so. So definitely tune in for that video. I'm gonna be hooking it up to my Sony ZV-1. I'm gonna hook it up to my iPhone 12, and we're gonna see what this does. Hopefully, when I get the iPhone 14, we'll do some real cool testing. You know, with the new 48 megapixel camera included with the DJI mic's audio, to see if you can really push this whole system to like make something really high quality. That's what it is. And see you guys on the next one. Peace.